Estonians prefer to own apartments or houses. We buy them. We are supported by banks. Banks gives you loans. You have to pay 10% of the cost yourself, and the rest you can apply as a bank loan. On the right hand side is the old town, the Fat Margaret Tower, the former armory and prison, and the black metal lines coming off the ground is a monument to the ferry Estonia that sank in 1994. And also we see these stone walls with some grass on it. These are fortifications. If you look at the town, old town from the sky, from a bird fly, it will look like a flower. And this fortification as flower leaves. They are meant, they were built in Swedish times, in a Swedish crown, to extend the fire line of the city walls, place where we are having a walking tour. Another green park, and the left hand side is same Rotermani city district, former industrial buildings that I told you about, and where the first telephone line appeared, and where this family owned a first car in town. Hotel, the first tourist hotel that was built in 1972. The same park we have seen with you earlier this morning when we took a road drive from the hotel, Tampere, another Estonian writer. And Old Town is on our right hand side. Street Viru, like virus without S, Viru begins from here. And this street is a flower street, the best flower point. We call it men's tears, because all women like flowers and men have to buy these flowers. So it's easier for you to come from Town Hall Square, for example. You find Viru Street, you cross the road, and then you know where to go to your hotel if you decide walking back. The building on the left hand side, this grey one, partly Gothic style, is Estonian drama theatre. Was built as a German theatre, but then renamed is to Estonian drama theatre. And we are approaching the Liberty Square that was transformed and changed in centuries. You won't believe that the part on your right hand side that we shall see, it was a big parking, just cars and nothing interesting on it. Last 15 years it was changed to a place of young people gatherings. We have big screens. It's a crossroad under the road, and there are big screens where you can watch even games. And the cross that you see in the Liberty Square is for people who died fighting for the Estonian independence in 1920. And more fortifications of the old town. And as we turn right now, on your left-hand side, you will see Museum of Occupation. Vabaduse is the name of it. And it says the history of the country, starting from Danish occupation and ending up with the Soviet Union. So you can see all the eras of Estonians' life in this museum. On your left-hand side, where you can come when you have a free time or if you like to see it more. We're approaching Toompea, the highest point, maybe same high as Lasnamägi. So how do we have this hill in the old town? The legend says that our hero, mythology hero Kalev, when he died, his wife Linda started to carry stones on his grave, and she carried them as much as this hill. Altogether had a status of a castle town until the Roman town. We have was the first school. It was opened and closed. The director, and the way this man is remembered.
So this is close from where we finish off.
The amber is natural. Yes, so it keeps it warm. This is one of the ways These were some decisions were making about
Mia ora, Torina, Endekatini, Pitka, Endekatini, Senator. Я цегала в тапе еду на Москве, Сейна. Билет какие?
One of the good examples to look up and to see the pool by the roof. You can see them very many along the buildings. So it was good to keep any kind of pool because
Most photogenic door.
if you keep walking along the street, you end up in the sea gates.
Michael's still here, so we're not the last one.